to another video. Today I have another box to unbox, and it is New Year's Eve here in the UK. So let's get this opened. So I had this delivered round my granddad's, as I usually do with my parcels, and it was delivered about 7:15 tonight. So I've literally just gone out and got it and brought it back. So in here I should have a Henry cordless. Now this is actually my second Henry cordless. I did do an unboxing video of the other one, but I've actually sold that back on, as the machine did not have any batteries or anything with it. So I just sold it back on eBay, got pretty much back what I paid for it, which is alright. So let's unbox this one. This one has got, I think, everything with it. I got it off the same guy that I bought my cream trials on. So yeah, I paid just over £100, including postage for this, which isn't too bad. And I think it's a 2019 model as well, which is nice. So it's quite new. Got 2 batteries with it as well. It's just taped up a load of boxes together on this one. Let's just cut this open somehow. So that's it. Bang, bang. They're down there, and then that one down there, like so. So here is the box. So we've got a hose in here, everything out. So I've actually opened it upside down like an idiot. Got a bent handle end, which isn't the original Numatic one, but well, it is an original Numatic, but it's not the right one. Got some Christmas paper, wrapping paper in there, some other stuff. We've got the genuine Numatic battery charger. I'm hoping this has some charge in it. We've got another tube. Pull this out like that. So there's Henry. There's one of the batteries. A non-genuine floor tool. Another one's another battery. Let's just check that is everything. I think that there is everything, to be honest. Yeah, I think that's everything. No small tools with this, but it's cool, we don't need them. So I've got to try and dispose of this box as well. Right, so here it is. It is a 27th week of 2019 HVB 160-12. Bit dusty and stuff. I mean, it will clean up. Now, I'm not actually going to use this tub with it either, because I do have, let me just get it, a Henry allergy tub. Well, this was actually on the other cordless, so I'll use it on this one as well. So I'll just put a flow in there. Filter's dirty, but I'll leave that for the minute. Put the top on, like so, and I'm hoping the batteries have some charge. Grab these out. So yeah, one battery. It's quite lumpy actually. Another battery. So hopefully these do have some charge, and I do want to see how powerful these are as well. So we've got some models and stuff which I can sell, although these ones look like the originals. Got the charger, got the hose, so we'll just put the hose on. Well, the hose is the original actually, it's got the weird end on it. But anyway, we'll put the battery in, first battery in, and hopefully it has some charge. Yeah. Very quiet actually, very quiet. Hang that on. Not as powerful as a full actually, if I'm honest with you. Not as powerful as a full. It's alright I suppose, I reckon. Powerful enough. You know, it's alright I suppose. But anyway, there we go. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course,